In this video I'm going to show you how to activate the jacking mode on Mercedes with air suspension. Make sure your vehicle has the air suspension. Start to activate the jacking mode. Turn the ignition on and then open the tailgate. On the right hand side in load area there's a control button. You need to press and hold for 2 seconds to turn this light off. When the light is gone, now the vehicle will raise a little bit up to activate the air suspension. The light is off now. The vehicle is raised a little bit up. Now you can turn the ignition off. Now this vehicle is safe to raise up to activate the jacking mode. And same thing, when you finish the job, bring the vehicle on the floor level and again turn the ignition on. And press and hold this button in the load area. The light will come back on. That is back to its normal position. This is called deactivate the suspension. I hope that this video will help. Thanks for watching.